आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नाउ 24/7 ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ। पंजाब कांग्रेस नेता सुखपाल खेहरा को पुलिस द्वारा हिरासत में लिए जाने पर भाजपा के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता शहजाद पूनावाला ने पूछा कि आपको कार्रवाई करने में इतना समय क्यों लग रहा है। ऐसा प्रतीत होता है ये घटनाक्रम श्री बाजवा द्वारा 32 आप विधायकों के उनसे संपर्क करने की बात कहने के बाद हुआ है, जब कांग्रेस ने कहा था कि वे पंजाब में सभी सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ेंगे। मेरा मानना है कि श्री राहुल गांधी को भारत जोड़ो यात्रा छोड़कर इंडिया जोड़ो यात्रा करनी चाहिए।
The case is of 2015. Aam Aadmi Party government came to power in March 2022. Today we are in September 2023. What was taking so long for the Aam Aadmi Party and its police and government, which is very proactive to pursue cases of all kinds to settle political scores of people who write against Mr. Kejriwal, to go and take action on Mr. Khera for the last 18 months? So it seems that this entire development has taken place after Mr. Bajwa spoke about 32 MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party being in touch with him. After the Congress Party has said that they will contest all the seats in Punjab. After the Congress Party and Aam Aadmi Party have been fighting over the 7 seats in Delhi. After the Delhi Services Bill's voting was over, Mr. Amit Shah ji had said that this Rajnetik Nikah will head for 3 talaq, and that is what is happening on a daily basis. And therefore, I think that Mr. Rahul Gandhi, he should leave Bharat Jodo Yatra, which Sardar Patel has already united India, and he should go for Indi Jodo Yatra. He should start by uniting Aam Aadmi Party and Congress Party in Punjab and Delhi. He should go and unite Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and Mamta Didi in Bengal. He should go and unite Karnataka and Tamil Nadu leaders who are fighting over Kaveri water. He should then go and unite Uddhav Sena, Congress Party in Maharashtra with Sharad Pawar ji. He should go and unite left parties with Congress Party in Kerala, where they have said no entry for Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad. I think Indi Jodo Yatra should be done. If they can't come together on a logo, they can't have consensus on any niti, on neta, on seat sharing. This is the true face of Indi Alliance. They have consensus only on one issue, how to abuse and eliminate Hindus and
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।